What's up everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and we just picked up another Jeep to add to the fleet. So let me show you what we're working with. This is a 2007 Wrangler X 4-wheel drive, automatic, hardtop, just your basic 2-door Wrangler, and we just added to the fleet. This is Colton's Jeep, so it's the latest addition to the BCO Adventure crew, but it does have one tiny little problem, and let me show you. All right, so you notice we're in park, right? We're turned to the run position. We're in park down here, park up here, and let's see, why don't I pop it into neutral? But wait, it still says park up here. So no matter what I do down here, it's not shifting. And the reason is because it's got a bad bushing on the transmission shifter cable. So let me jump underneath and I'll show you what we're talking about. All right, there's a bit of a tight squeeze under here, but right up here, if I can get my hand up here, is the cable for the shifter. And at the end of it is this little eyelet. And right in the center of it is a little plastic bushing. These are notorious for going bad. So I picked up a bushing at the auto parts store and we're just going to replace it and we're good to go. So first things first, let's get this bushing out. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but yep, just pushed it right through. And this guy is just all worn out. So I've got this new bushing, and I'll put links in down below on where you can pick up this bushing, but this little clear guy is the one we're going to put in there. So let's pop it open, get out the new bushing, and it's a little bit of a pain to get in there, but we'll get it in. Grab your linkage and squeeze it into the linkage first. Sometimes it takes a little bit of coaxing. All right. And then once you've got that guy in place, you simply snap it back on to the arm. You can see we've got the new bushing in, the cable is reattached, and now we're ready to try it out. All right, you can see I'm in park on the indicator, park on the shifter. Let's put it in reverse. Reverse it is, neutral, drive, and back to park. So there you go. We replaced the bushing at the end of the shifter linkage, and it is ready to rock again. All right, that was super easy. Quick fix for that bushing at the end of your automatic shifter linkage. This is a pretty common thing in the 2007 to 2010 Jeep Wranglers with the automatic transmission, over 100,000 miles. So don't freak out when it won't shift. It's a real easy fix. I'm going to put some links down below on where you can get this bushing for dirt cheap. Questions, comments, and concerns, leave them below. But that's it for now. For Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.